Hey guys, Nash here. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install most advanced hacking OS Kali Net Hunter in any Android phone. So what is Kali Net Hunter? It is very advanced hacking OS that normally hacker use, but if you install this, you can even hack your neighbor's Wi-Fi. But on this channel I won't recommend this, as this video is only for educational purpose. So make sure you watch this video till end, because not only I will show you how to install it, but we'll also show you some hacking apps that comes with Kali Net Hunter. So let's begin. So what is this Kali Net Hunter actually is? Kali Net Hunter is an Android ROM overlay that gives you some hacking apps inbuilt. Now this overlay includes a custom kernel, Kali Linux CH root, and some apps which allows you to easily interact with various security tools and attacks. There is one very popular TV show called Mr. Robot, in that the guy used this kind of OS to basically hack anything. So there are two ways to install Kali Net Hunter, and I will show you both step by step. The first one is a little bit tough and not for everyone. This one wants you to install a full custom ROM on your phone, basically replacing your own operating OS. So go to description and download these two files, Net Hunter ROM and GApps. Once you download them, put them in your internal storage, then go to your TWRP recovery. First wipe everything except internal storage, go to install tab, select the Kali Net Hunter, select GApps and swipe right to install. Once it's installed, you will have Kali Net Hunter that replaces your own OS. Now this first method is not for everyone, because not everyone can install custom ROMs. So now I'm going to show you the second method, which is really easy and anyone can do that on any Android version. So for that you will need to download these three files. Make sure you download them from description box below. And then install this Magisk app. Just tap here and install it. And now we are going to boot into our TWRP recovery. I'm just using normal TWRP. So once you boot into your TWRP, go to your install tab, locate the magisk.zip and swipe right to install. So once it's installed, just reboot your phone. And if you want to install the same boot animation in your phone, I will drop the link for that also. So now we are booted. Now go to your Magisk app. Now swipe right and go to modules. Tap on this plus button and locate the Kali Net Hunter zip file. Now just wait for 1 minute. So once it's done, just reboot your phone again. So this is how you install Kali Net Hunter in your phone. So first of all, we are going to install Kali CH root. It's really easy. Just go to app, allow some permission and you're good to go. So among all of these, Kali Net Hunter CH root is one of my favorite app, because with the use of this app you can actually hack somebody's Wi-Fi password. Again, this video doesn't promote that. This video is strictly for educational purposes, and you should only use this tool for ethical hacking. Also, Kali Net Hunter is pre-rooted, so Super SU is installed, so you don't need to worry about rooting it. And guys, this is Kali Net Hunter shell, same like Windows command prompt or Mac OS terminal. So with the help of this shell, you can do HTTP tunneling at any place in the world. And then there is app called F-Droid, which is similar to Google Play Store. The only difference is it's operated by developers, and you can find many developers app on this F-Droid. So these are the apps you get with Kali Net Hunter. From here you can learn more and use these apps. Like this video if you appreciate my work, and I will see you tomorrow.
Boom! $10.83 on this one right here. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Here's another one. Boom! $50.75 right to PayPal. And my biggest one so far, you guys got to check this out. Here we go. Drum roll, please. Boom! $71.24. Now, you guys are going to go to this website right now. Come up here and click on this button right at the very top. It's called Most Paying. Very important, guys. Click on this button right here. I'm going to show you. What's up, guys? My name is Big Mark. I create videos every single day about making money online. And if you subscribe right now, I'll send you a notification and an update whenever I create a new video so you guys don't miss nothing. And I'm feeling good today. I got energy. And if you stay towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you a bonus that will allow you to create even more money working right from home. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the video. If you